Spocket versus AliExpress. Which dropshipping platform provides better quality products? Let's dive into this question and figure out which one truly offers better quality products for your dropshipping business. Stick with me because I'll be revealing a hidden gem at the end that you'll want to know about, and it might just change the way you approach your dropshipping journey. First up, let's talk about Spocket. Spocket has gained attention for offering high quality products that are typically sourced from suppliers in the US and Europe. This gives you an edge in terms of faster shipping times compared to other platforms like AliExpress, where most suppliers are based in China. So, if you're running a store that emphasizes speed and customer experience, Spocket's domestic sourcing can be a big win. Next thing, let's discuss the product range. Spocket's catalog is selective, focusing more on premium, branded, and higher quality products. However, this also means fewer options compared to AliExpress, which is packed with millions of products across various categories. While Spocket has a focus on quality, AliExpress offers a wider array of choices, so if you're looking to experiment with various niches or have an extensive product range, AliExpress may provide more flexibility. The fourth thing I want to highlight is pricing. Spocket's products tend to be more expensive than those on AliExpress, which can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, higher prices generally reflect better quality. On the other hand, you'll have to mark up your prices to maintain a profit margin, and some customers might find the price tags on Spocket products a little steep compared to AliExpress. AliExpress, however, offers rock-bottom pricing, but it can be a gamble in terms of product quality and supplier reliability. Next thing, product quality control. Spocket shines here because of its quality check process. You will find as many low-quality items, and many of the suppliers are vetted, meaning there's a much lower chance of getting stuck with poor quality products. In contrast, AliExpress offers a wide range of suppliers, some of whom are great and others, well, not so much. Product quality can vary, and it's not always easy to tell which suppliers are reputable without doing a lot of research yourself. Fifth point, shipping times. As mentioned earlier, Spocket's US and European suppliers give you an advantage with faster shipping, usually within 3 to 7 business days, which beats the typical 15 to 30 days you can expect from AliExpress. So, if customer satisfaction is your priority, Spocket's quicker shipping can make a huge difference. With AliExpress, while you do have options for faster shipping through premium services, the longer wait times are a common issue, which can hurt your store's reputation. Now, let's talk about ease of use. Spocket's platform is pretty user-friendly, offering tools like automatic syncing and integration with Shopify and WooCommerce, which makes importing products a breeze. AliExpress also has integrations, but it can feel a little less streamlined, especially when it comes to tracking orders and handling customer service issues. And here's where it gets interesting. Despite both platforms offering good features, I've actually found a better alternative for dropshipping. After trying both Spocket and AliExpress, there's one platform that combines the best of both worlds. It's fast, it has quality control, and the pricing is more competitive. If you want to take your dropshipping to the next level, make sure you check out the first link in the description. Through that link, you'll get access to an exclusive free trial and special benefits that aren't available to everyone. In conclusion, Spocket and AliExpress are solid platforms, but they each have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're aiming for faster shipping and higher quality products, Spocket may be your best bet. But if you want variety and rock-bottom pricing, AliExpress might be the way to go. However, if you're looking for the best of both worlds, don't miss out on the alternative I've found. You can get started today through the link below and enjoy exclusive benefits that'll make your dropshipping journey even more successful.